Good morning, guys. Cheers. My morning coffee. About to cut up a brisket. This will be my first time ever cutting up a brisket by myself. My husband's always cut it up and we did it in sections and then we would freeze part of it. But I'm going to cut it up and try to make sure I cut all the silver skin off. And so, you know, if I do something wrong, just let me know in the comments because that's how I'm gonna learn. I have gloves on that help me not cut myself because I'm kind of prone to doing that. And then I have some other gloves on to not get these so dirty. So here we go, I'm getting the brisket. If I could pick it up, oh my gosh. Eee. It's a big old baby, look at that. Eee. Exciting. So there's a nice piece of fat right there. Yum. Fat is flavor, baby. Fat is flavor. So today I'm just going to be salting it with the salt that I smoked last time. So this is pink Himalayan salt. And I'm going to try it this time just with salt and see how that goes. This is all a new experience for me. Last time was the first time I ever smoked a brisket. And so I'm learning, guys. I'm learning, or trying to anyway. So I love the fat, so this is very weird for me to be cutting fat off. And so I was going to have a bowl up here to just place the fat in, and of course I forgot that. And so when you're videotaping, it's kind of hard just to walk away and leave empty space for a little bit. So one of the videos that I watched, it said, you know, the crinkly like fat is to go ahead and take that off. And I'm sorry if the lighting's not very good. My kitchen is right next to my bedroom and my husband is sleeping. So I was trying not to have all the lights on. And so just trying to be as quiet as I can be. But you got the flat is right here. And so I'm not sure how I'm gonna cut it that way. As in, I think I want the flat this time to smoke. Last time it was this end that I smoked. And so we shall see how this works out. I may have to figure out how to do some editing. I never edit because I don't have an editing program. And so I know I've had people tell me I need to do some editing, but you know, these are hard times and my money goes toward, you know, paying my bills and taking care of my animals and taking care of ourselves when it comes to buying food. And I'm not going to spend that on editing software and all that. So, you know, I just do the best that I can, and I just ask for your patience until one day when I can be able to do these things. And it's all good. I only do this to be able to show you it's not hard being carnivore. It's so much easier than when I was keto, because when I was keto, I had all these extra sides I had to have. I didn't have to have it, I guess, but you know, you spend a lot more money on groceries when you're keto. And so this is a lot more healing and a lot better for me. So I think I'll stop this video since it's almost at 4 minutes, and then I'll come back and probably have to put 2 videos together. I haven't ever done that, so we shall see how this works out. Or I'll just have to upload 2 separate videos. See you later.